Cat's Colors by Airlie Anderson. It was cloudy outside. Cat was doing grey things. Then she had an idea. It was time to collect some colors. She looked at the green ceiling of leaves. She breathed in the red smell of the roses. Cat reflected on the blue pond. She noticed a flutter of purple on a branch. As the sun set, Cat took in the orange light. Later, she gazed at the sparkling black cosmos. She found a cozy sleeping spot under the yellow moon. Cat. Cat. Oh, cat. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.